Another day and maulan na adventure. This is Tongkik and welcome to my new video. Hey guys, I am walking in the boulevard of Dumaguete and hinahanap ko yung I love Dumaguete pero parang under construction ata kasi nagre-renovate sila ng kanilang seaside or boulevard. Yung parang esplanade nila. So bago na yung mga bricks and all, tsaka pinalapad nila and maganda na dito. So tingnan nyo na lang yung video ko para makita ninyo kung gaano ka ganda yung boulevard ng Dumaguete. And I'm happy because I'm back once again. Yeah. Medyo matagal-tagal din na hindi ako nakabalik dito. And it really thrills me every time when I go back here. Kasi meron silang bagong ino-offer sa mata. Ayan. So, they're extending. Pinapalapad pa nila yung area where you can walk, where you can run. And, it's a clean and very lively. Kaso nga lang, umuulan. Yun lang. Pero ngayon, hindi na. Tumigil na rin yung ulan. Pero wala tayong magagawa. Vlogging is life. So, gusto ko lang sa inyo, i-share kasi this is my last night dito sa Dumaguete. And ayoko ding ma-waste yung time ko. Kasi nga, minsan lang tayo pumunta dito. So, ayun. Just stay connected with my videos na i-upload. So, as you can see here guys, kakatila lang talaga ng ulan at umaambon pa yan. Sobrang umulan talaga siya as in bumagsak talaga yung ulan during that time. So, if you want to try their street food guys, dyan, meron silang binibenta ng mga street foods. Pwede kayong kumain dyan. You can try their balot, kwek-kwek, and other street foods. And lami kaayo. At kung gusto niyo naman bumili ng mga souvenir items, nandyan din. Located din sa boulevard nila. And nakahilera lang din naman sila. If you want to have souvenir items like keychains and other stuff. So as you can see, sobrang malawak na talaga yung boulevard ng Dumaguete. And they are also preparing for December lightings. Kung saan, pwede kayo pumunta dito together with your family and friends. At sobrang mag-i-enjoy po kayo talaga, promise. Ewan ko ba na video ako itong punong to kasi alam mo yung this is one of the old trees here in Boulevard ng Dumaguete. Ito naman yung port nila, so gateway ito papuntang Bohol, Siquijor, and other places in Mindanao. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and share. I love ya!